pen and craft.
Hey guys, I'm very sorry that I was really busy in my studies, but I am back. So let's really quickly come back to our today's craft. What you can see is a really cool Coke bottle. It looks pretty realistic, and a donut. I know you might have not guessed, but today's video we are making the 10th decoration. It can be 10th birthday, 10th anniversary, or any other 10th XYZ occasion. It is actually a food theme and it is unique.
Oh my god.
So let's move on to make it.
Wanna get you right now. Please take me like bomb. Heart gon' speed so God splash on my brain. Wanna get you 당장. 매일 head 답답해. Wanna leave cannon or dash on your flavor. Splash on my brain. I dash on your flavor. Game me so bad. You're such a slayer. Splash on my brain. I dash on your flavor. Game me so bad. You're such a slayer.
Dancing on my ass like a move. Mad rat shit in my shoes. Pull up to your bed and never lose. Sip it that we're getting loose. See me now, no can take you off. Got no time, babe, please take that off. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. I get that cash and I go hard. Spend all the cash on the fashion. Ain't gotta talk all the shit at all. Show this just let everybody talk. Show this just let everybody talk. Ooh, swerving with you. Going crazy, oh then I'll keep it on the
어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못됐어 Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 You make me dizzy 알라 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해 Yeah yeah Just wanna keep going Oh yeah 오늘 내 약속이 Oh yeah 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈 길 멀어 우리 사이에 You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 네 뽀 지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중 너 생각에 잠겨 yeah yeah
Crank me so bad.
Buddies, our craft is ready and I'm back with another number decoration video. I have decorated many numbers before, you will get the link in description. Over here I am decorating number 10 with food theme. The 0 is representing donut and the 1 is representing Coke. Guys, it is such a unique idea and it's so fun to create. So let me give you some detailed explanation. The 1 is having a Coke bottle and you can also make any other drink you want, and the 0 is having a donut but you can make it pizza or any other food you want. I created a donut because it will look more colorful and the Coke and donut go well together. You can do this food theme with any other number, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe.